There comes a moment for every man, somewhere around the age of 40, where the small signs begin to show themselves. It might be that stubborn stiffness in your back when you get out of bed, the quiet fatigue that creeps in even after a full night's sleep, or the way your focus drifts during meetings when it once felt sharp and unbreakable. These moments often arrive quietly, and it's easy to dismiss them as just another part of getting older, something every man simply has to accept. But what if these changes aren't inevitable? What if they're signals from your body asking for the nutrients it needs to keep you strong, clear-headed, and steady as you continue to lead your life, to show up for your family, your work, and your own purpose with the presence and energy you deserve? Your body is a masterpiece of design, capable of adapting, healing, and regenerating. But it requires the right resources to do its job well, especially as you move past 40. This is the point in life where the demands on your body increase, but the reserves you once took for granted begin to quietly diminish. It is the point where stress, long days, and the quiet responsibilities you carry begin to draw from your energy, your strength, and your clarity, often faster than you can replenish them through your diet alone. This is why understanding the essential vitamins your body needs becomes not just important but foundational if you want to move through this next chapter of your life with strength and vitality. Imagine waking up each day with a body that feels ready to move, a mind that feels sharp, and an energy that carries you through your day with quiet confidence. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing not just the signs of age but the reflection of a man who is choosing to live with intention, who is actively supporting his health so he can show up fully in his life. This isn't about chasing youth or fighting the natural process of aging, but about honoring the body you have and giving it the tools it needs to continue serving you well. Vitamins are not just another item on a checklist of things you should take someday. They are the building blocks your body uses to generate energy, to maintain strength, to support your focus, and to keep your systems working in harmony as you move through your day. When you give your body what it needs, you begin to notice small changes first. You get out of bed a little easier. You move through your morning without that heavy cloud of fatigue. You find your mind staying clear during meetings, and your mood feels steadier, allowing you to handle challenges without the quiet frustration that often bubbles under the surface when you're depleted. These small changes add up, creating a life where you are living with energy and presence rather than dragging yourself through each day, wishing you could feel like yourself again. The truth is, many men don't realize how much modern life quietly depletes them. Stress, poor sleep, inconsistent diets, and the constant demands of daily life pull essential vitamins and minerals from your system, leaving your body operating below its potential. This depletion often goes unnoticed until it shows up as persistent fatigue, foggy thinking, or that frustrating sense of weakness you can't quite explain. It is easy to attribute these feelings to aging, but more often than not, they are signals that your body needs deeper support to continue serving you with the strength you expect from it. It is important to understand that supporting your health with essential vitamins is not about taking a handful of pills each morning and hoping for the best. It's about knowing what your body specifically needs and why it needs it, choosing to give your body the exact tools it requires to function optimally so you can live your days with focus, energy, and quiet strength. Each vitamin plays a role, working within your body to support energy production, hormonal balance, and the systems that protect your heart, your mind, and your overall well-being. This journey of supporting your health with the right vitamins is a decision to honor yourself, to care for the body that carries you through your responsibilities, your ambitions, and your moments of connection with those you love. It is about making a choice each day to support your energy so you can show up fully, to support your focus so you can remain clear-headed in your work, and to support your strength so you can continue to live actively and independently, embracing each year with quiet confidence and purpose. The beauty of this journey is that it does not require a radical overhaul of your life but a consistent commitment to giving your body the nutrients it has been quietly asking for. You will begin to notice that your mornings feel easier, your energy feels more stable, and your mind feels clearer. You will begin to feel a sense of readiness as you move into your day, no longer fighting to find energy but carrying it with you naturally, allowing you to engage with your work, your family, and your purpose with presence and calm strength. You are not meant to accept a quiet decline as your reality simply because you have crossed a certain age. You are meant to live with vitality, to continue experiencing the moments of your life with energy, focus, and strength. This is not about perfection or about denying the aging process, but about working with your body in a way that supports its natural design, allowing you to age with grace, presence, and the quiet power that comes from taking care of yourself. This is your invitation to step into a new chapter of your life, a chapter where you are choosing to support your body and mind with the nutrients they need, where you are making small but powerful decisions each day that build a foundation of health, energy, and focus that you can trust as you continue to live with purpose. It is a reminder that your health is worth prioritizing, that your energy is worth protecting, and that your life is worth living fully, with the strength and clarity that comes from giving your body what it truly needs. Your body is always communicating with you, quietly, through the way you feel each morning, the energy you carry through your afternoons, and the way your mind responds when you need focus the most. Every yawn that lingers too long, every moment your mind drifts when you need it to stay clear, every ache that arrives without warning is a reminder that your body is working hard, often without the resources it needs to function at its best. These aren't just signs to ignore or push through. They are signals that your body is ready to respond if you choose to give it what it needs to restore balance and energy, so you can continue showing up fully for yourself and the people you care about. It is easy to let days blend together when you are constantly moving from one responsibility to the next, but those quiet moments of fatigue and fogginess slowly accumulate, turning into weeks where you feel like you're only half present in your own life. The essential vitamins your body needs after 40 aren't just about filling nutritional gaps. They are about allowing you to participate fully in your life, to step into each day with clarity, energy, and a calm focus that feels steady and reliable. It's about creating mornings where you wake up feeling ready instead of drained, where you greet the day with the quiet confidence that you have the energy to meet whatever it brings. When you give your body the vitamins it craves, you are not chasing quick fixes or temporary energy spikes that leave you crashing later. You are building a foundation that supports you from within, helping your systems function as they were designed to. So your energy is not something you fight to find each day, but something that flows naturally as you move through your life. Your mind feels clearer, your focus sharper, and your mood steadier, allowing you to engage with your work, your relationships, and your own goals without the constant fog that fatigue brings. These vitamins support your body's energy production at the cellular level, fueling your mitochondria so they can generate the power you need to move, think, and live with quiet strength. They help your body manage stress by supporting the systems that keep your hormones in balance, allowing you to handle challenges with a calm mind instead of a reactive frustration that drains your energy even further. They protect your heart and circulation, allowing your body to deliver oxygen and nutrients efficiently, so every system you rely on can function as it was designed to. It's easy to underestimate the power of these small decisions, but over time, they create the difference between moving through your days with heaviness and showing up with lightness and presence. This is not about adding stress to your life with complicated routines, but about making intentional choices that support your health in a way that feels sustainable and aligned with the life you want to live. It is about creating a quiet commitment to yourself, a promise that you will give your body what it needs to continue supporting you as you lead, care for others, and pursue the goals that matter to you. Each day you choose to support your body with the right vitamins, you are investing in your future energy, your future focus, and your future strength. You are choosing to build a foundation that allows you to age with confidence, not fear, and to continue living with the vitality that allows you to participate fully in your life, no matter your age. It is a decision that honors your journey, acknowledging the years you have lived while preparing your body and mind to embrace the years ahead with readiness and quiet power. You are not meant to accept a life of constant fatigue, to watch your energy slip away and believe there is nothing you can do. You are meant to live with energy that supports your purpose, with a mind that remains clear so you can continue to think deeply and creatively, and with a body that feels capable and strong as you move through each day. This is about choosing to live with intention, to support your health so you can continue to give your best to the people and projects that matter to you, and to ensure that each day is one where you are present, engaged, and fully alive. The beauty of supporting your body with essential vitamins is that it is a step you can take each day, no matter how busy your life is or what challenges you face. It is a small act that creates a ripple effect, improving your mornings, your focus, and your ability to engage with the people and moments that matter. It allows you to experience your days with clarity and strength, rather than moving through them in a fog of quiet exhaustion that leaves you feeling disconnected from your own life. As you continue on this journey of prioritizing your health, allow yourself to feel hopeful about what is possible for you. This is not about returning to who you were in your 20s, but about becoming the strongest version of who you are now, honoring the life you have built while supporting yourself to continue living it fully. It is about recognizing that your health is worth the effort, that your energy is worth protecting, and that your life deserves to be lived with the focus and vitality that allow you to experience each moment deeply. You have the ability to choose how you move forward, to take control of your health in a way that feels aligned with your values and your goals. Each step you take is a commitment to yourself, a reminder that you are worth the effort, and that your health is a foundation for the life you want to continue building. Allow yourself to embrace this chapter of your life with a sense of purpose and strength, knowing that the decisions you make today shape the energy, clarity, and presence you will carry into tomorrow. It is a powerful choice to decide that your health is worth prioritizing, to recognize that the way you feel each day is not just a product of age but a reflection of how your body is being supported. As you move through your life, when you choose to give your body the essential vitamins it needs, you are choosing to step into your days with energy that feels sustainable, focus that feels clear, and a sense of readiness that follows you into every task, conversation, and moment that matters. This is not about chasing the illusion of endless youth, but about embracing the strength that comes from living in alignment with your body's needs, honoring the years you have lived while preparing to live your days ahead with presence and vitality. Imagine moving through your morning without that quiet heaviness that so many men begin to accept as normal. Waking up with a sense of clarity and calm energy that allows you to start your day with intention rather than resistance. Picture yourself stepping into your responsibilities with a mind that feels clear, with focus that remains steady, allowing you to contribute fully to your work and to remain present with the people you care about. Consider what it would feel like to move through your evenings without the drag of exhaustion, to engage with your family, to pursue your interests, and to experience the moments of your life without the constant background noise of fatigue holding you back. These moments are not out of reach, they are within your grasp when you choose to support your body with the nutrients it has been quietly asking for. The vitamins that serve as the foundation for your energy systems, your hormonal balance, and your cognitive clarity. Each day you choose to give your body this support is a day you are investing in your ability to live with energy and presence, to show up fully in your life with the quiet confidence that you are capable, strong, and steady regardless of your age. It is often easy to ignore these small signals, to believe that the stiffness in your joints, the heaviness in your mornings, or the fogginess in your thoughts are simply part of getting older. But what if you saw these signals as your body's way of asking for care, for support, and for the essential nutrients it needs to continue serving you well? What if you chose to listen to these signals and respond with the intention to restore your strength, to protect your energy, and to support your mind so you can continue to live with clarity and purpose? This choice is within your reach, and it begins with understanding that your health is not something that simply happens to you but something you can actively shape by giving your body what it needs each day. This is not about adding stress to your life or creating complex routines you cannot maintain. It is about simplifying your choices so your body can thrive quietly in the background, allowing you to focus on the moments and people that matter most. It is about taking small, Consistent steps that build a foundation of health you can rely on. Creating mornings that feel lighter, afternoons that feel steady, and evenings that feel satisfying because you have the energy to be present in your own life. It is about building a relationship with your health that feels supportive rather than demanding, empowering rather than overwhelming. You deserve to live with energy that fuels your purpose, with a mind that remains clear so you can think deeply and contribute meaningfully, and with a body that feels capable as you move through your days. Supporting your health with essential vitamins is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways you can honor this vision for your life. Creating a path that allows you to age with confidence and strength rather than quiet resignation. It is a way of saying to yourself that you are worth the effort, that your health is worth protecting, and that your life deserves to be lived fully. There is power in simplicity, in choosing to take small, intentional steps that create lasting change. When you support your body with the right nutrients, you are giving it the resources it needs to function at its best. To maintain the systems that generate energy, protect your heart, balance your hormones, and keep your mind clear. You are creating a foundation that allows you to handle the demands of your life with steadiness, to move through challenges with resilience, and to experience the joys of your days with presence and gratitude. Each morning becomes a new opportunity to support your health, to choose the path that aligns with your desire to live with energy, clarity, and purpose. Each day becomes a step toward reclaiming the vitality that allows you to participate fully in your own life, to show up for yourself and for the people who matter to you, and to continue building the life you envision with confidence. You are not meant to accept a quiet decline, but to embrace the possibility of living each year of your life with intention, energy, and strength. As you consider what it means to support your health with essential vitamins, allow yourself to feel hopeful about what is possible for you. You have the power to shape how you feel each day, to build a relationship with your health that supports you in your goals, and to move forward into this chapter of your life with a sense of readiness and calm confidence. This is your invitation to begin, to take the steps that align with your body's needs, and to create a life where you are living fully, with clarity, strength, and purpose. You have the ability to choose how you age, to step into each day with the quiet power that comes from knowing you are supporting yourself in the ways that matter most. This is your opportunity to embrace your health as the foundation for the life you want to live, to prioritize your energy so you can continue to show up for the moments and people that matter, and to honor the body that carries you through each day with the care and support it deserves.